guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a search button in your WordPress blog. So the top left corner of your blog, you can see my site tab there, and scroll down below and you can see WordPress admin tab there. In this screen you can see appearance. Hover your mouse there, then you can see widget tab there. In this page on top right corner you can see enable accessibility mode tab there. Accessibility mode is enabled now. Now scroll down, find search button and click add. Now in this page write a title for your search page. I'll give search my blog. You can choose whatever you want. Choose your search bar location, then click save widget. Once you are done, go back to your blog page, and here you can see the search box. So that's it guys. Likewise you can put a search box in your WordPress blog. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.